In front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings. Following that, scroll down to access security and privacy. When you're ready, scroll down again and tap on device unlock. Then select Face and Fingerprint Unlock located under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. If you don't have one, you need to set it up to use Face Unlock. Now click on Face Unlock under Ways to Unlock. Scroll all the way down to read the disclaimers and statements and hit Done. Now you can enable or disable Raise to Wake option thanks to this little dot next to it. And then tap on Create Now to start scanning your face. Remember to keep it in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!